What is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips, and in today's video we're going to be installing Windows 7 13 years later. Now before I start the video, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for the lack of uploads. I just started a job, so it's really difficult for me to get videos out there. I'm going to try to start uploading more. I do have a few plans for the next few days. Either Thursday or Wednesday I'm going to try to have a video out, depending on when the object that I'm going to try to record comes in the mail. But I do want to point out that I am extremely happy for all the viewers that have been supporting my channel. I think my channel hit like 1 million views a while ago, which is freaking crazy. I know one of my most popular videos, how to set up multiple displays. And if you guys want to see a video, me explaining more in depth on like what the different cables are for display, I can do that too. But that video has like 700,000 views. Like, it's crazy. But I do thank you guys for all the support, and I do hope you guys enjoy the video that you're about to watch. I didn't spend a lot of time on it, but that's just because I'm still trying to get used to uploading again. It's going to take me a while. I'm really rusty. I have not uploaded or edited a video, and I have no idea how long. So I think my last video was like a month ago for Windows 11, so it wasn't that special. But if you guys want to see bloopers at the end, go to the end of the video, or watch the whole video if you guys want, because there's some funny ones. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, just enjoy the video. Today's video, we're going to be installing Windows 7 in a virtual machine. Essentially, we're going to be installing Windows 7 13 years later. Windows 7 was released in 2009. I actually used Windows 7 quite a bit, and I really enjoyed the operating system. I think it's a really solid operating system. Obviously, we can't go back to it. They ended support for it. I don't even remember how long ago, but I know it was a couple years ago. So we're going to go ahead and launch the VM, and now we're at the install screen. It's been a while since I've seen this. Install now. Microsoft, yep. Oh, this is only Service Pack 1. RIP. Then we're going to let it install, which it shouldn't take too long at all, actually. Now we're installing the updates. Oh my god, that boot up screen I haven't seen in forever. Let's do SargeantsTechTips. Maybe I'll do some videos on... Yeah, I'm not doing a password. Or if I get the video drivers installed, that'd be pretty cool. Maybe we could use the aerial effects, if you guys remember that. Oh, that sound! Ah, it's Windows 7! Whoa, can't get to my taskbar. That is bright. That's probably as good as I'm going to get till I install the driver. But look at that, we're on Windows 7. Wait. Aha! No, this is gadgets? Oh, Jesus. I remember these. Wait a minute. Where's the bunny? Where's the bunny? I know, there it is. Have these little CPU meters go. I'd put like weather. I don't even think this works anymore. It's probably, but no, this was the peak of my childhood right here. It was Windows 7. You can get more gadgets online and stuff. Oh god, we have to use Internet Explorer. Oh, you guys hear that? We will reboot now. Oh, the down sound. I wonder if it'll do the boot up sound for Windows 7. You guys have no idea how much of a smile that brought onto my face. Fastest boot up you've ever seen. Doesn't even get to finish. Will it get to finish? Nope. There it is. Look at that. So now... Oh! Ah, the aerial effects. Look at that. Oh yeah. I used to mess with these all the time. I actually, for the longest time, I actually used this because it reminded me of Windows 95 and I enjoyed it. But we're going to do the area theme. Let's play. Oh, where'd my wallpaper go? Oh. Oh. Dude, I used to love when my computer did this. You could draw like shapes and stuff. I never knew why it did that. I think it was a refresh error thing. Okay, so now let's play some Purple Place. Oh. The music, dude. Watch this. Oh, no. Oh, I love how you can just... This is going to be the new meta. Oh, these... You wouldn't think such a simple game could put a smile on your face. Like, I really wish Microsoft would include these games again. Like, that was like the greatest thing. Smiley face on it. Let's do advanced. Oh. I now do remember. What? Oh, that doesn't. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, no. I found one! Oh yeah, I gotta guess. I think I had to guess the, got those right. Got that right. Whoa. Beginner. Aww. Okay. Computer syncing. See if I remember how to play this properly. Unless he's gonna... Okay. No! Leave my chess piece alone. Oh, I can't go back with the normal pawns. I forgot. Let's do this. Unless he's gonna... Oh, I'm kind of SOL at this point. Oh, no, he's gonna jump. Huh. It has been a hot minute since I played this, guys. This is such an intense match. No. That chess piece. Gotcha. Gotcha! Aw. Ha! What are you gonna do now? Oh. Oh, that's what you're gonna do. Ah, he won! He surrounded me. Hold on, I got this. Ah! Oh, I remember this game. I used to love this game. Okay, I don't remember how to play this game. But anyway, guys, that is Microsoft's Windows 7 installation in 2022, 13 years later. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed the video, and I can definitely do more videos like this where I take a look at OSs and stuff, because honestly, this is probably one of the best operating systems I've ever used. But yeah, no, this is my childhood right here. But yeah, like the video if you liked it, dislike if you thought it sucked, and let me know what you guys want to see for future videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out. What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to the Windows 11th, or no, sorry. Oh my fuck. What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel. I know I say this in the actual beginning. Well, no, because I'm just going to cut it out. Ah! What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing Windows 7 13 years later. Now, before I start the video, I just wanted to talk about something short and sweet. The lights are flickering. I do apologize for that. I live in an old-ass trailer. Nothing I can do about it. Okay, they don't need to know that. What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel where I'm installing Windows 7 4 feet.